We have steakums today. One steakum has got 20 milligrams of sodium. That's not much. In my little frying pan. 1/4 cup of peppers. I've got red and green in here. I buy the frozen ones. It's so much easier. And then, a little bit of onion. No more than 1 milligram of sodium. So there's no more than 5 in this pan. And I am getting ready to add 1 steakum. Going to go in there, chop it up a little bit, cook that thing. Pepperidge Farms has a hoagie bun that is 250 milligrams of sodium. If you find one that's less than that, please let me know. Take these, cut them in half. Got them sitting in the frying pan over there, heating up, getting ready for my husband's food. There's a video on my channel. Want low sodium mozzarella? I'll tell you where to get it. It's Fresh Mozzarella. At my store, the chub is 30 milligrams for 1 ounce. My bag's got a little more than 1 ounce. We're going to cook that. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday, you're going to get a brand new low sodium recipe and sometimes a little extra tip on keeping that sodium low. Meat, peppers, and onions. I'm going to add my cheese. I don't need all of that. A little bit more than an ounce in here. I'm just going to stir it until that cheese melts. Put it on top of that bun. Show you what we end up with for 305 milligrams of sodium. It's a lot of food. All right, now, here you go. Look at this. How nice that is. This is how my husband likes it. He likes to pick it up and eat half of it. You can flop it over and make one big one out of it, but this is how he likes it. So this is what he gets. Nice looking, low sodium, very tasty. Makes us all happy.